welcome back to Aruna Belize, where we can see paradise is quickly becoming reality. We are here within the phase 1 at Aruna. If you've been following, you know that this property here within phase 1 officially opened up for rentals in April, and they have been doing very well from the rental perspective. Phase 2 is also actively under construction with the cottages, the 2 and the 3 bedroom home, making really beautiful progress. And then of course, one of the newest additions, phase 3 behind me over here, where the foundations are starting. We are really excited because the seal for the homes that are already sold here within phase 3 should be arriving any day now, and then we'll be able to go vertical on the construction. Really excited about that. One more thing that I want to mention to you about phase 3 is availability. So at this point, we only have one more remaining space for a cottage model. The cottage models can be the studio, which is the Itzamna model. It can be the Torana Duplex, or it can be the Shanti 1-bedroom. The Shanti is a newly unveiled 1-bedroom cottage model. So excited about that. We'll put more information in the video here as well. But the other property here within phase 3 that we are just unveiling is going to be the lagoon facing condos. 3 floors, 3 1-bedrooms per floor, ideally situated for the vacation rental market with unobstructed views looking right out at the lagoon, looking right at San Pedro town. It is going to be the most beautiful location here on property. If you're somebody with that investment mindset and you're looking for the property with the best view, you may want to be considering owning within one of those condos. Do note that there are only going to be 3 of the 9 condos available for ownership. The remaining 6 are going to remain in the rental management program. If you're somebody who needed proof of concept, you wanted to see the construction happening, this is for you. We are so incredibly excited here to see as everything is getting completed and we are moving on to the 3rd phase. Because we know that prices within phase 4 are going to increase, the developer has authorized anybody who decides to own within phase 4 and gets in prior to the next steel order being completed to be honored at the phase 3 prices. So we know that the next steel order is going to be going in about 4 to 6 weeks. So it's going to be really important for you to reach out to us if you're interested in any of the phase 3 models that are going to also be within phase 4. We're going to take you around the property to see more about what has been happening. With a view like this, I want to be vacationing here at Aruna. This is a beautiful location. If this is a property that is of interest to you from the ownership perspective, or perhaps you want a vacation here, reach out to our team, info@lunarealtybelize.com. We'll put the email address on the screen above as well. Reach out to us. As you heard, we do have a limited availability at this point. Prices are going to be increasing for phase 4 once that next steel order is placed. And hey, built-in appreciation, it doesn't get much better than that. Thanks everyone for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you here in Belize. Bye-bye.